Welcome to How To University. I'm glad you guys are back. And today, as you guys can see on the screen here, I'm just going to scroll a little bit. You see a few of these. You see these PDF books that's in my Kindle app. They're free books. All right. So you guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can get some free PDF books and put it in your Kindle app. And a lot of books are up-to-date books. All right. Some are old, some are up-to-date. And we're going to show you how simple and easy it is to put PDF books right inside your Kindle app. All right. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, grab your snacks, grab your drinks, sit back, relax, and learn while we show you today how to put a PDF book inside your Kindle app. So class is in session. How To University. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have the phone up on the screen and I'm going to show you the steps, real easy steps to do to get your PDF to your phone. All right. So I'm doing this with an Android phone, so keep that in mind as well. What I'm going to do, you guys are going to see that on the screen, is I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom. You'll see where it says charging that. I'm going to change that by tapping on it. And I'm going to put file transfer, and I just hit mine for just once. All right. And now I'm able to go ahead and be able to take a PDF and put it on my Kindle. All right. So this is how it's going to be done here. I'm going to go down at the bottom of the screen here where you click on the little file explorer. I'm going to go to downloads. And I'm just going to scroll down to get a book. All right. And what I'm going to get here is, let me see, which one of these books here? I'm going to use, I got a lot of stuff going on right now. A lot of stuff to delete. Let me see. 100 Rules for Entrepreneurs, Real Life Business Lessons. Let's say I do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Right. And then here on the side, I'm just going to move this up and down. You see that right there. I'm going to scroll down. Remember when I just put the phone to file transfer? That's so I can transfer this file onto the Kindle. So now I have the LG Stylo 5 phone. So I'm going to click that tab right there. And I'm going to go ahead and where it says internal shared storage, it'll be similar or exactly the same for those who have Android phones. You'll see this on your screen. I forgot also one thing I also forgot to tell you guys is that I have hooked my phone up to the laptop, okay, with the charging cord. So this goes right into the laptop here. And then I put as you guys seen, I put the phone on file transfer. And then I found the PDF that I want to put in the Kindle app, and I copied that, and then I went over here to LG Stylo because my phone is connected to the computer now. So there it is. I tapped on that, and this is what you guys are seeing on the screen right now. Okay. And so I got an SD card in there with a lot more space than the phone's space here. And I'm going to tap on the internal shared storage. Okay. So I'm going to double click on that. And I'm going to look around. I already see it, but I'm going to look around, and that's what you need to do. You want to, if you have the Kindle app, you're just going to look for Kindle. And as you see, the Kindle is right here. I'm going to double click on the Kindle. And these are the books that are on the Kindle now. All right. Every now and then I delete certain things here, which I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. All right. just gonna go ahead and do this. All right, I'm gonna do this. That way I don't have to do this later. And this is nothing that you have to do. This is just something I'm doing. I'm just noticing it right now. And I'm thinking, oh, okay, I need to move this things out the way anyway. All right. So now remember I copied that book and I'm going to paste it right here. All right. There you go. And there's paste. And there goes the book right there. 100 Rules for Entrepreneurs, Real Life Business Lessons. So now we're going to go back to the phone. All right. Let me exit out of that. And we're back in the phone, and you should already see it on the screen. It popped up on the screen right there. All right. Right there on the top left, it says 100 Rules for Entrepreneur Real Life Business. And it's that simple. That's it. That's how you get it into your Kindle. Real easy. Now, before we go, I'm going to show you a website. Some of you might be familiar with it. Some guys, I might be giving the secret away, but I'm just going to give the secret away, all right? So this is where you get your free PDF books, all right? Some of you guys may know and some of you may not know, all right? But here is the website, all right? The website is called pdfdrive.com, all right? pdfdrive.com. And pretty much you can type in an author's name. They have a big collection of books. Some are current books or just a few years old. Some books that might have came out a couple of years ago, and then they have older books as well. So there's a big library of PDF books, and some that you even find in Amazon. So let me see here. I'm gonna type in. Let me look something up on Amazon real quick and just see if I can find it in the PDF there. There you go. All right, let me look in some browsing history here. All right, let's see. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Let me see if I can find his book in here. James Altucher, I think that's how you pronounce it. And there we go. All right. There's a book by James Altucher. All right, one of his books here. There's somebody's bootleg version, I guess, of Choose Yourself. The Power of No. All right, you got some Warren Buffett books. Trade Like Warren Buffett by James Altucher. Okay. I actually have this in the Kindle book. I don't have the PDF version, but if I known they had this PDF version, I would have probably got this. All right. And then there's Become an Idea Machine, the PDF version. So, and then there's a couple of more Choose Yourself. So you can go and reinvent yourself. I see that was in for the Amazon Kindle, but you can get it free right here. All right. So that is pretty much, ladies and gentlemen, how you can find PDF books and then you can transfer it to your phone. Now, I don't know what the process is. If you guys have the iPhones, it might be a similar process. All right. But this is doing it with an Android phone. And as you've seen how quick and easy it was just to get a PDF book onto your Kindle app. Super easy. All right. If you guys have any questions, leave comments below. Be sure to share this video, like the video, tell other people about the channel. I appreciate it. It helps with the algorithms because you guys may or may not know they're doing a lot of kind of shadow banning channels for some odd reason. And I would definitely appreciate it if you guys can spread the word, and you can do that by sharing the video. You can do that by hitting the thumbs up that you like this particular video. Even if you didn't like it or you don't care for it or it wasn't no big deal, just hit the thumbs up anyway, so that way I'll know that you actually viewed the video. All right. And again, share it with folks. Tell people about the channel. All right. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys. And as always, keep this in mind. The world is your school, So study everything and keep learning. All right. I will see you guys on the next video. How to University. I'm out of here. Peace.